Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of morning affirmations and how they can transform your mental health. Imagine waking up each day, not with a sense of dread or anxiety, but with a feeling of purpose and positivity. That's the power of affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that can help you challenge and overcome negative thoughts. When you repeat them often and believe in them, you can start to make positive changes. It's like planting seeds in the garden of your mind. In this video, we'll explore 5 powerful morning affirmations that can set the tone for a happier, healthier you. So, take a deep breath, find a comfortable spot, and let's begin this journey of positivity together. Think of your mind as a blank canvas. Every morning you have the opportunity to choose the colors you want to paint with, the emotions you want to express. Morning affirmations set the tone for your entire day. Positive self-talk primes your mind for success and happiness. Imagine starting your day with, "I am capable of handling anything." Affirmations help you focus on your strengths and possibilities. They shift your perspective to one of hope and resilience. You can practice affirmations anytime, anywhere. Consistency is key. The more you repeat them, the more natural they become. Positive thoughts lead to positive actions and results. Are you ready to unlock the power of morning affirmations? Let's dive into the first affirmation and discover its transformative potential. Let's delve into our first affirmation. I am in control of my thoughts and emotions. How often do you feel like your thoughts are running wild, like a runaway train? You're bombarded with worries, anxieties, and negative self-talk. It's easy to feel overwhelmed and helpless in those moments. But this affirmation reminds you of your inherent power. You have the power to choose what you focus on. It's like having a remote control for your mind. You can change the channel, adjust the volume, and choose what you allow into your mental space. It's not about suppressing your emotions. It's about acknowledging them without letting them control you. When you repeat this affirmation, you're reminding yourself that you are not your thoughts. You are the observer of your thoughts. You have the power to step back, to detach yourself from the negative stories your mind might be telling you. Imagine a wave of anxiety washing over you. Instead of getting swept away, you stand firm, observing the wave without letting it consume you. You acknowledge its presence, but you don't let it define your experience. This affirmation empowers you to respond to situations rather than reacting impulsively. It allows you to pause, to breathe, and to choose a more helpful and constructive course of action. It's about cultivating a sense of inner peace and stability amidst the chaos of life. Remember, mastering your mind is a journey, not a destination. There will be days when you feel more in control than others, but each time you repeat this affirmation, you're taking a step towards greater self-awareness and emotional resilience. You're strengthening the muscle of your mind, training it to focus on what truly serves you. And as you continue on this journey, you'll find that you're better equipped to handle life's challenges with grace and composure. So embrace the power of this affirmation and step into the driver's seat of your mind. You are in control, and you have the power to create a more peaceful and fulfilling inner world. Now let's explore the transformative power of self-love with the affirmation, I am worthy of love and respect. This affirmation goes straight to the core of our being, addressing a fundamental human need for love and belonging. So many of us struggle with feelings of unworthiness. We may have internalized negative messages from our past, or we may compare ourselves to others and come up short in our own minds. But this affirmation is a powerful antidote to those negative beliefs. When you repeat, I am worthy of love and respect, you're challenging those limiting beliefs and replacing them with a truth that resides within you. You are acknowledging your inherent value as a human being. This is not about arrogance or ego. It's about recognizing that you deserve to be treated with kindness, compassion, and dignity, just as much as anyone else. It's about accepting yourself fully, flaws and all. Imagine looking in the mirror and saying those words with conviction. I am worthy of love and respect. Feel the words resonate through your being. It might feel uncomfortable at first, especially if you're used to putting yourself down. But with each repetition, you're planting seeds of self-love that will blossom over time. As you embrace your worthiness, you'll start to notice a shift in your relationships with others. You'll set healthier boundaries, attract people who appreciate and value you, and you'll no longer settle for less than you deserve. Remember, self-love is an ongoing journey, not a destination. It's about showing up for yourself every day, treating yourself with the same kindness and compassion you would offer to a loved one. And as you cultivate self-love, you'll find that you're better equipped to give and receive love in all areas of your life. Let's shift our focus to the power of gratitude with the affirmation. I am grateful for the positive things in my life. In the hustle and bustle of daily life, it's easy to get caught up in what's not going our way. We tend to focus on what's missing, what's wrong, what we still need to achieve. But this affirmation invites us to pause and appreciate the abundance that already surrounds us. Gratitude is like a muscle that we can strengthen with practice. When you make a conscious effort to notice and appreciate the good in your life, no matter how small, you're rewiring your brain to focus on the positive. It's about shifting your perspective from a place of lack to a place of abundance. Think about the simple things you often take for granted: a warm bed to sleep in, a roof over your head, the love of family and friends, even the air you breathe. These are all blessings that we can choose to appreciate. When you repeat this affirmation, visualize those things you're grateful for. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, the taste of your favorite meal, the sound of laughter shared with loved ones. Gratitude is not about ignoring the challenges in your life. It's about choosing to focus on the good, even amidst difficulties. It's about finding silver linings in the clouds and appreciating the lessons learned, even from our mistakes. And the beautiful thing about gratitude is that it has a ripple effect. When you're grateful, you naturally become more generous, more compassionate, and more present in your interactions with others. So embrace the power of gratitude and watch how it transforms your perspective, your relationships, and your overall well-being. This affirmation, believe in yourself and take action towards your dreams. Our final affirmation is a journey towards inner peace and self-acceptance. I am at peace with who I am. This affirmation is about embracing your authentic self, flaws and all. It's about letting go of the need to be perfect and accepting yourself unconditionally. In a world that often tells us we need to be more, do more, have more, this affirmation is a radical act of self-love and acceptance. It's about silencing the inner critic that tells you you're not good enough, smart enough, or worthy enough. It's about recognizing that you are already whole and complete, just as you are. When you repeat this affirmation, feel the weight of self-judgment lifting from your shoulders. Allow yourself to simply be, without the need to prove yourself to anyone. It's about finding peace and contentment in the present moment, without dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. It's about celebrating your uniqueness and recognizing that your imperfections are what make you beautifully human. Remember, you are not defined by your mistakes, your past, or the expectations of others. You are a work in progress, and that's perfectly okay. Embrace your journey, practice self-compassion, and allow yourself to be at peace with who you are. Thank you for watching. If you found these affirmations helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on mental health and well-being. Remember, incorporating affirmations into your daily routine can be a powerful way to cultivate a more positive and fulfilling life. Start by choosing 1 or 2 affirmations that resonate with you and repeat them every morning, either silently or out loud. Have a wonderful day.